Hello students, I am Praveen Kumar from ABS Engineering College, Ghaziabad. This is the introductory video on the unit number 4 electrical machine of the subject Fundamentals of Electrical Engineering. So first of all, we will discuss the syllabus of this unit. This unit named electrical machine mainly consists of DC machines, then induction machine, and at last is the synchronous machine. The DC machine they are mainly we have principal and construction types, EMF equation of generator, torque equation of motor, and application with the simple numerical problems. Similarly, uh, moving to the induction machine, we have three-phase induction motor, principal and construction, torque slip characteristics, and numericals related to slip problem. Then single-phase induction motor, principal operation, and introduction to the various starting methods. And at last, we have synchronous machine. This entire syllabus is covered in around 11 videos. First of all, the very first video is related to the construction of DC machine. Out of these 11 videos, around 7 videos are dedicated to DC machines, and in totality, these videos cover DC motors as well as DC generator. The very first video is about the construction of DC machine. Then next three videos mainly deals with the generator operating principle, then classification and EMF equation. Similarly, the next three videos mainly deals with the DC motors, in which first we have again the operating principle of DC motors, then classification, and at last we have speed and torque equations. So in this manner, around 7 videos in which we have covered the entire DC machines. Then in next video, we have covered this three-phase induction motor. For the three-phase induction motor, we have two videos. One is related with the operating principle, and the second video is dealing with this slip torque characteristics. Then we have one video for single phase induction motor, and another one video is for synchronous motors. So this entire unit is covered in syllabus of this entire unit is covered in around 11 videos, 11 videos, and along with these 11 videos, one additional video is also available, in which we have discussed the various numerical problems which are frequently asked in the end semester examinations. These are the main references from where the content is taken for preparing these videos. So I hope you will enjoy watching all these videos. So thank you for watching this video, and see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.